Okay, it says which of the following is not a pair of equivalent functions in triangle ABC if angle C is a right angle. I'm going to start by drawing my triangle here. I've got C here, which means I can put A and B here. And we are looking for the sine of A and the tangent of B to start out, because we've got to start somewhere, right? Okay, and I'm actually going to mark these. I've got the angles marked, but I'm going to mark the sides. So in other words, across from angle A, I'm going to have a lowercase a, across from angle B, lowercase b, and then across from angle C, lowercase c. All right, just to help me figure out what the sine of A actually is. So let's start, and we can reuse some of these, right? Because you see we have sine of A, tangent of B, sine of A, cosine of B, whichever one of these we find, once we find the value for it, we can reuse them to continue the evaluation process. So off to the side here, let's start with sine of A. Sine of A is equal to, so we're shooting from this angle right here. So sine of A, the opposite would be right here, A, okay? The opposite over the hypotenuse, which is C. So we have opposite over hypotenuse, which is equal to A over C. Okay? So that takes care of that one. Now we have next, we'll write the tangent of B here. I'll leave room for cosine of A in here, although we're going to have to write a whole bunch of these, so we'll have lots of room. Cosine of A would be adjacent over hypotenuse, right? And then tangent of B is going to be the opposite over the adjacent. So that's what we're looking for right now because we're working on A. So here we're shooting from angle B, right? And let me just change this color here. So we're shooting from angle B, which means we're looking for the opposite, which is B, right? So B over the adjacent, which is going to be A. All right, so we have B over A. Whoa, look at this. What do you know? It says, which of the following is not a pair of equivalent fractions? Well, these are not equivalent. Huh? Check it out. So there's our answer, A. I mean, we could go through and verify the rest of these that they're not equivalent, but why bother? If we've got our not equivalent one, stop there for crying out loud.